The next morning, Edward woke up to find nothing had changed. The big blue engine, whose name was Gordon, was still boasting.
You watch me this afternoon, little Edward, as I rush through the express. That will be a splendid sight for you. Goodbye, little Edward. Look out for me this afternoon.
Edward then went off to do some shunting. He liked shunting. It was fun playing with trucks. He would come up quietly and give them a push. Then he would stop and the silly trucks would go bumping into each other. Oh my god. What the fuck, Edward? Edward played until there were no more trucks. Then he stopped to rest. Presently he heard a whistle. Gordon was cross. Instead of nice shining coaches, he was pulling a lot of very dirty trucks.
A goods train. A goods train.
He grumbled.
Shame of it. Oh, the shame of it. Oh, the shame of it.
Edward laughed and went to find some more trucks. Then there was trouble.
Gordon can't get up the hill.
The porter called to Edward's driver.
Will you take Edward and push him, please?
Ah, yes. Will do.
They found Gordon halfway up the hill and very cross. His crew were talking to him severely.
Come on, Gordon. You're not even trying,
Said his driver.
I can't do it. Those noisy and stupid trucks hold an engine back. If they were coaches now, clean, sensible things that come quietly, that would be different.
Edward's driver then came up.
Hey, Brothers Grimm, we've come to push.
No use at all.
Yeah, you just wait and see, hotshot.
They brought the train back to the bottom of the hill. Edward came up behind the brick van. I'm ready!
No good.
And soon they started to pull and push as hard as ever they could.
I can't do it.
I will do it.
I can't do it.
I will do it.
I can't do it.
I will do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
I will do it. I will. Whoa.
Oh, I've done it. I've done it. I knew I could do it.
Whoa, easy, Gordon, easy.
Not even so much as a thank you.
You're absolutely bloody amazing, Edward. Oh, I love you.
Thank you, boys. I appreciate it. That's more like it.
I'll get out my paint tomorrow and give you a beautiful new coat of blue with red stripes. Then you'll be the smartest engine in the shed.
Oh, that'll most certainly do. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you, Sydney. You guys are great.
Aww.
What the fuck, Edward?